Hello guys, this is your gamer MW and today's topic is what is actually this Doomsday conquest and how to get my damage points. Okay, and you can see here in the build section there is one honor structure building. We can build that after getting 1200, I think 1200 stones, and how to collect these stones. One way to collect the stone is from Alliance store. You can collect 1000 stones for 1 lakh Alliance contribution, but it's too much. And there's another trick is just attack the field and get those points. Yeah, I got some stones, 75 stones. How to attack is you can only attack the place where or near. Uh, you can attack a field that is near to a field that is already conquered. That means this is already conquered by me. Okay, this is already conquered, so I can only attack the place that is nearer to that field. Here I can attack. Yeah, and the region nearer to that, or region nearer to here also we can attack. But if I click here, we can't, because we have to take a lease on that land. Search in your world, you will see empty, you will see fields that can be killed and get those stones. Let me check. There will be a level 1 field. Yeah, here's level 1, and also it's nearer to this one also. Then I can attack, occupy. Yeah, gonna occupy that. March. Hope you guys understood how to attack. You can't attack this field because you know this field is not in the region that is near to the field that is already owned by our alliance mates. Okay, you can only attack the places where that is already owned, or the nearer places, the field that is already owned. The nearer field, nearer, some fields are already owned by your alliance mates, so the fields nearer to that can be occupied. Yeah, these green fields are green labeled fields that is already occupied by me, and others are occupied by my alliance mates. And this way you can collect stones. I will show that in my report, Doomsday Conquest report. And you can see here I just killed 1000 zombies and get some mutated lumber, stone block, etc. That is how to collect this. Okay, hope you guys understood how to do that. And after getting enough points, enough damage point, you can open that box and you can build these structures. Okay guys, and thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys understood what I'm saying. Thank you.